Can I get a high five from the teddy bear? Hi everyone! Hope everyone's having a great day so far. I am currently on my way to Performance Lab Detroit. My little sister is meeting me up there because, as you guys can see per title, we're gonna be taking the wrap off. We're basically gonna be re-customizing that car. Not everything, but a good amount of it. I'll talk to you guys about it once we get there, but I did bring my heat gun. I brought my tripod. I hope you guys can hear me right now. I also got Starbucks. I got a tall iced matcha tea latte and also a pink drink for my little sister. It's pink. Let it focus. Yeah, I did go and see a house I was interested in with my mom and my real estate agent, and it was interesting. It was a very nice house, but it was pretty outdated in terms of like the trim, the paint, and all that stuff. So if we can talk them down on an offer, then why not? We'll see. Like, we're gonna totally lowball it because we're really not that crazy interested in the house. But we will still want to see if we're able to get it for a pretty good price, because then we'll just renovate it, because it does have a 3-car garage, which I absolutely love. But anyways, so that's what I did today. Then I filled up my mom's car with gas. I went and washed my mom's car, and then I went to my house, I grabbed my truck, and now I'm on my way to Performance Lab Detroit. So far it's a pretty good day. I feel like nothing can really ruin my mood right now. Pretty nice day in Michigan. It's a little cold, but it is sunny. I'll talk to you guys once I get to Performance Lab Detroit. We are literally like 5 minutes away. I just need to focus on my driving. And so we made it, and I have no idea where Veronica's car is, nor Veronica. I'm hoping this door's open. It's usually locked. Nice. So this is where we're gonna be working, as you guys can see. I gotta figure this out. Okay. All right. We have found my sister. She just popped out of nowhere. There's my truck. So she's just gonna pull it in. As you guys can see, it still sparkles, but obviously it's been stained. So, and then come this way. Look at this sparkle. So we already closed the garage and we have gotten started right away, and so far so good. It's actually peeling a lot easier than I thought it initially would have. I don't know why I have 4 minutes on this SD card. I just checked. I'm hoping I didn't pick up the wrong SD card. That would suck. But yeah, this is what we're working with so far. We're gonna try to take off as much as we can. We obviously probably won't take it all off by today, but it's gonna take a couple days. Say your names. Say hi to YouTube. You guys want to start helping us peel off the sticker?
Yeah. Okay.
Matt's helping us. The wrap police.
Here, pull this one right here. Pull it. There you go, slow.
There you go. Look at that.
Yeah.
Good job. Now we just have the rest of the car to do. There we go. Nice. Can I get a high five from the teddy bear? Yay! It's been about 30 minutes and this is pretty much all we've done. I got the front fender done. Veronica's pretty much got the rear fender done. And now I'm going through the pillar. We're hoping we could finish this side by today. And then get back at it tomorrow, I guess. So this is how much we got done for the day. We actually got 1/2 of the car done, which is actually not bad. So it came off pretty easy. We are leaving this side like this because Veronica needs to take some pictures with the car. But yeah, we got done in literally, I would say about a good hour. And now we need to find a place to throw all of this away. All right, I gotta move my truck, but we are good to go for the day. We're gonna come back tomorrow, of course. And she's out. All right, let's go. And I have you guys. Okay. Woo! 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 That was close. Woo! Anyways, guys, okay, so I gotta wash my car, my truck rather. I gotta edit a video. I have homework to do. It's 4:45, so hopefully I can get all that done in time so I can make it to the gym. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna put you guys right here. I honestly don't know how much longer I can record without, oh no, oh I have my phone. See, I always forget my phone when I'm talking to you guys. I gotta go back. Ed told me to set the temperature to 50 and I turned it off completely, so be right back. All right, we're back. Let's get the ball rolling. I don't know if I want to do homework at my place, at the house. I told you guys, I don't like doing homework at the house. I just need a different environment change. But I don't know if I want to do it at home or the Starbucks or somewhere where I can have food because I'm hungry. I don't know. I'm driving really slow. I'm turning very slow for you guys because if I don't, you guys are going to fly out the window because you guys don't have your seatbelts on. Okay, I went and got a car wash. I also went and got a small fry from McDonald's and a mocha frap. But Ange ended up calling me and she said she actually has some work to do on her computer, so it works out. We're gonna meet up at a cafe right now and I'm just gonna sit there and do work. My head is killing me, but I'm just gonna try to like power through it. Okay, I'm gonna leave you guys alone. Go do what you gotta do. Go. Don't let me leave you hanging like that. All right, go do your chores, go do your homework, go run your errands. What's up? It's day 2 here at Performance Lab Detroit, where we are fully taking the glitter wrap off the Mercedes C300, my little sister's Mercedes. This was a failed customization attempt on my end, I'd like to say, but also the wrap longevity is not so great. It's advertised to be only on the car for 6 months, and 6 months later, yeah, 6 months later, yeah, so yeah, but it still sparkles. And if you guys are wondering what the texture is like, it's like a sandpaper. Think of it as a nail filer basically, but it is what it is. We are taking it off. We are going to be putting on a new color soon, and I know you guys are looking at this car in the background saying, I thought it got sold, what happened to it? And truth is, we're just still finalizing and figuring stuff out for the location because it did go up for auction. I do need to detail it before it goes, but yeah, it's just being stored here for now. So yeah, a lot of you guys were super upset when you saw that car got sold, and I know I was just as upset, but it was such a cool experience. If you guys don't remember, before the Parts of America tour, I actually drag raced this Roadkill Nights, and it was my first ever drag race, and we did really good. Unfortunately, throttle beat us just because I didn't miss a shift. Long story short, you guys can go check out those videos if you want, but my engine overheated, so something happened and I lost power, so you could just see them walk me at the very end, and the announcer said that I missed a shift, but I didn't. It just looked like that because I completely lost power. So it is what it is. Anyways, it was such a cool experience. We Hellcat Red Eye swapped a Challenger RT, did it in less than a month. Whatever. Okay, I'm done talking about that. Absolutely love that build. It's such a cool story. Maybe we get to do it this year again, but we will see. Enough talking. Let's get to unwrapping. We just finished unwrapping the Benz. It literally probably took us a total of 4 hours, 4.5 hours between yesterday and today. Obviously, we didn't take any of the trim off. We didn't take the door handles off, so you could see a lot of the sparkles around the door handle. But that, ooh, it wasn't focusing, but that is only because we are rewrapping this car, and Veronica made the point that there's no need to take off the door handle until we actually rewrap the car. So once the wrap is arrived, that is when we're actually going to take all these little pieces, just like the fog light, as you can see all the sparkles around the fog light as well. That's when we're gonna actually take everything off and take these little pieces off and then rewrap the car. But yeah, here's what it looks like overall. It's pretty rough. I'd like to say there's a lot of paint chips, there's a lot of scratches. This scratch was here when we bought the car, but obviously the wrap came off because it was a pretty deep scratch, as you can see. We're gonna clean it up and get started on wrapping once the wrap gets delivered. But before that, we got other things to worry about. So yeah, that's that. Yep. All done. All done. Yeah, oh yeah, also yeah, look at the spoiler. You guys could see all the sparkles there because we do have to unscrew the spoiler. But again, we will cross that bridge once we get there when we when we wrapped the car. So Veronica just dipped, but we were here just chilling and figuring out our next mods for the upcoming months. We have a lot of exciting things coming up, but we just have to figure out a good timeline for it and how long it's gonna take for each build to get done. So we're just figuring that out. We are at the office at Performance Lab Detroit. And yeah, I'm really hungry. That's all. We're at a red light real quick, but I just went and got food from my mom's house again. You guys know I pretty much do that a lot. So one, her food's really good. Two, I don't have to make my own food because it's 7:30 right now. But anyways, I think depending on how this video looks, you guys are obviously gonna figure this out before I say it, but I'm just letting you know. I might combine day 1 and day 2 together just because it was pretty short both days, I feel like. So I don't know, we'll see how I feel about that. Nonetheless, I'm just gonna close out this video in case I decide to separate them. But I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I really like how it looks so far, like all black. It looks really good at nighttime because when I went to my mom's house, I saw the car, and obviously you can't see all the scratches and all the paint that kind of came off with the wrap. So it just looks like it's like murdered out, and it looks so good. But yeah, the paint is in really poor condition. But anyways, yeah, next video is probably gonna be working on the wheels or the wrap, depending on what we figure out first. But stay tuned for that. Don't forget to, that was a big pothole.